Then Assalamu alaikum. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer, and welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. In previous classes we have learned many projects and topics related to Python, and I hope that you enjoyed my videos and like it also. Like in first tutorial of Python we have learned that what are variables in Python, and we will also learn that what are shapes in Python, and I hope that you enjoyed and liked that video. Then in second tutorial we have learned that what are month conversation in Python, and we also learned that what are tuples in Python, and I hope that you also enjoyed that video and we have learned more topics related to it. Then in third video we have learned that how to build one guessing game with Python, and we have also learned that what are translation in Python and how to build it, and I hope that you also understand it and enjoy that video. And now let's talk about that what we will do in this video. In this video we will also make some awesome topics, like we will learn what are nested loops in Python, then we will learn that what are comments in Python, and we will also learn that what are keyword arguments in Python. And I hope that you will enjoy this video, like it, and you also share it with your friends, and please give comments to my videos so I can understand that what I can do for you in my coming up future videos. So let's start. Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum, and again welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. So now we will start that what are comments in Python. Okay, now just let's start. First of all, open your text editor. What you have, I have PyCharm, so I will open it. Okay, now you can want any text editor to open, you can open it. Okay, I will open app.py. Now you have to do like just over here on your project, you have to do like just right click and go to new and Python file to take new file. Okay, just write your file name and your file name will be created. Okay, now we will start comments. Okay, comments in Python. Comments are like if you write any tag like print. Okay, and if you write like comments are fun. Okay, like this you have written one tag. Now to write comments you have to do like just come here and write this hashtag. Now you have to write any comment like comment is fun. Okay, like this you have written. Now just run over here, so you can see this comments are fun is coming, but comment is fun is not coming. Comment is fun is not coming because it is a comment, and comment is only used for that if you are making any big project and if you want to remember the lines you have written the code, so it is good for them. Okay, it is not come like I am writing here like comment and run. So you can see this again, comment is not coming, only this print tag is coming because comment are in not print tag, it is only in hashtag. Okay, like this if you write again comment, and now if you make any project like I am writing here num1 and I am writing here like input and I am writing num1. Okay, like this, and again write I am writing comment, and now if I write num2 input num1 2. Okay, and again write I comment, and now if I write num3, and now if I write is equals to input and I write num3. Okay, like this. Now enter run, so you can see this there is coming error because we are not defining this. Okay, now you have to do like just come over here, write num1 and is equals to, you have to write here like you can write input and write here like enter a number. Okay, like this I have written. Now you have to write comment over here like I will write num just hashtag here write num1 tag. Okay, like this. Now just come over here and write here again num2 tag. Okay, start. Okay, just like that. Now write num2, write input and write here enter a second number. Okay, like this. Now if you have written that, just write a semicolon here. Now again write here like semicolon. Now you have to do like just come here, write num3 tag. Now you have to do like just come over here. Now write result equal. Now you have to do like init and write just write here float. Okay, float and write here num1 and write here like plus num2. Okay, like this. Now just you have to do like right here from math import. Okay, like this you have written from math import. Now you have to do like just come over here, right here, just like star. Now you have to do like just you have to just come over here again, and now here you have to do like print result. Okay, result over here. Now run. So you can see this asking the number 2 2. So you can see this error is coming. Okay, but our number is still here. Okay, you can see. So this is a remember tag comments. Okay, from this you can remember anything you want to if you are making project or if you are making any small thing also. Okay, but comments are not used for any useless things. Okay, if you are making like one print tag, so there will be not comments will be used. I am only using for showing you. Okay, but there will be not coming using. Okay, so now we will start with our second topic. Now in this topic I will show you all that what are nested loops in Python. Okay, nested loops in Python are like when you write any tag like for x in range, and if you write here like I am writing 4, just write here semicolon and write here for y in range. Okay, and now if you write here 3, now if you write here like print, and now if you write like f and write here like again this, and now if you write here like x and now comma y. Okay, you can see this x and y is curly brackets, run it. So you can see this 0 1 2 3 till counting is coming, but it is coming 3 0 3 1 3 2. Okay, like this, because our range is in 3. If I write like 2, so you can see there is coming 2, but 3 is also coming because it is only 3 till 0 and 3 till 1. Okay, if I write like 2 here, now you can see this only 0 and 1 is coming. Okay, I hope that you understand. If you write 5 again here, run. So you can see this 0 1 2 3 4 is coming. Okay, if you write 1 here and 5 here, just run it. So you can see this 0 0 2 3 4 is coming. Okay, because it is a range from which you can define two numbers of this. Okay, but from this you can only define these numbers. Okay, in which are right. Okay, I hope that you understand. If you write here 8 and if you write here like 10, just run. So you can see this our all number is coming till 9. Okay, 10 is not coming, only 9 7 till numbers are coming. Okay, you can see how it is easy to do. If you write here x, run. So you can see this again x is come, but there is coming only same number in one bracket. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 1 1 1 1 like this, 2 2 3 like this. The number are coming. If you write y here and x here, run. So you can see this counting is coming till 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0, and like this 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 is starting here. Okay, if you write 2 times y, run it. So you can see this only the counting is coming 0 0 1 1 2 2 like in x is coming. Okay, I hope that you understand that what are nested loops. And there is also one nested loop like if you write any formula like numbers, and if you write numbers like this 5 8 6 9 11 like this, if you write a number. Now if you write like if you write here like any number and again write for x count in numbers. Okay, for x count in numbers, and come here, and now you have to write output of your number like equal two strings. Now come here, write for x count in range. Okay, for x count in range, now you have to do like just come over here. Now just write here your range x count. Okay, now write another semicolon, and now here you have to do like just write again output will be like plus equal will be now x. Okay, now just come over here, write for like you have to just write here print, and here you have to write output. Okay, now just run it. So you can see this our counting 5, 8, 6, 9 and 11 is coming in x numbers. Okay, you can see these x are, first is 5 because we have written here 5, and second is 8 because we have written 8. Okay, and last is 11 because we have written here 11. Okay, you can also change the numbers, like I have written 9 here, run. So you can see this second is coming in 9. If I write 10 also, so it will come in 10. If I write it 2, so it will come in 2. Okay, you can see how it is easy to do. If you write 2 here also, so it will come in 2. If you write here like 8, so it will come in 8. If you write here 14, so it will come in 14. Okay, you can also larger the numbers, like if you write here 18 again and run it, so you can see this 2 and in last there is coming 18. Now you can also do like if you write here 23, run, so you can see this in last 23 is coming. You can also take the numbers bigger. Okay, just write copy, and now if you write like paste it, and now if I write paste it, run, so you can see this there are many times 23 are coming. Okay, I hope that you are understanding that. Okay, how it is easy to do. Okay, I hope you understand what are x count. Now let's start with our third topic. Now in this topic I will show you all that what are greet users in Python. Okay, and keywords also. Like if you write any tag of like if you write def and write greet user. Okay, and now if you write here like first name. Okay, first name, if you write first name and if you write comma, and here if you write last name like this. Now if you write semicolon here, and now if you write here like print, and if you write here like f and write here like hi, and if you write here like, and if you write here like first name. Okay, like this, if you write here first name comma, if you write here last name. Okay, like this if you have written. Now if you want to do like, if you do like just come over here, and now if you do just like print. Okay, and now if you do just, and if you write start here. Okay, start here, and if you write here like print again, just erase it. Now if you write here greet user. Okay, greet user, and now if you write here like, now if you write here like John. Okay, and now if you write my name like Inshal. Okay, if you written like this, now if I write again print, and here I have written like just erase it. Now just come over here and write here print again, and now write here like welcome aboard. Okay, like this. So now just run it. So you can see this hi John and Inshal is coming. Okay, just erase this and erase this. Now run. So you can see this how it is easy to do. Start hi John and Inshal. Okay, because first name is John and second name is Inshal. So because of this John and Inshal is coming. Okay, and welcome aboard is coming here. Okay, you can see how it is easy to do. Okay, I hope that you understand this. Okay, now if you write here like I have written any name you want to Smith, and now if I written here like big, and now run, so you can see this again Smith and big is coming. Okay, you can also erase this if you write here only aboard. Okay, so only aboard will come. Okay, you can see start hi Smith big, aboard is coming. Okay, you can see aboard is coming in last only. I hope that you understand this def greet user. So let's start with our fifth topic. So now in this topic I will show you all that what are greet, what are return statement in Python. Return statements are like if you write def number, and if you write here like square, and now if you write here like def square, like square, and now if you write here number, and now if you write here like just like that, if you write here num, and now if you write here return number, just write that return, and again write num, and if you write here again number here, and now if you write here again number, and just again write this and write again number. Okay, you can see
just if you write like that, and if you write here print, now if you write number, okay, like this, run. So you can see this, there is coming error because name number is not defined, okay. So because of this error is coming. Now if you do like number, and now if you write again number, run. So you can see this again error is coming, okay, because number is not defined. Just multiplied it from it. Now you have to do like def square number. Now come here, and now you have to do just write here semicolon here. Now just copy this from here, erase it, and now paste it. Now you have to do like run it. So you can see this. This is again syntax error. Just run it from here. Number is not defined. Just you have to do like erase it, and now number, print number is not defined. If you write here like def, now if you write translate here, okay, like this. Now if you write here like print, and if you write here square, okay, squared, and now if you write here like 2 and 8, okay, like this. And now if you write here from math import, okay, like this. Now just write this, run it. So you can see again error is coming. Just dot here. Now erase this, run it. Just comma here, and just you have to do like again, and now just run it. Just write here point and run. So you can see this, our value 1.673320, and there are many bigger values coming, okay. You can see how it is easy to do, okay. You can also change the number, like here I have written 3 and here I have written 5, run. So you can see this 870 to 2869, like this our point value is coming, okay, in square root. If you write here 25, so it will come in square 5, okay. You can see how it is easy to do. You can write here 36, so it will come in 6, okay. I hope that you understand till this, and I hope you are enjoying this Python series and enjoy it in future also. So now we are ending, and now we will meet in next class, okay. So for today, goodbye.